kids, this is Nadia Ma from Adbeat and welcome to Adbeat Online Art Sessions. And we are almost finishing our this month's theme, which is Incredible India. It is quite sad for me because I really want to work on this more and more. So no problem, even though if this month's theme is ending, we will be getting some new excited theme for the next month. And also you can always work on this month's theme whenever you get time. You can probably create some more exciting things about India, about the Indian culture, tradition, everything. So you can work on your own and you can always share the pictures with your beautiful, pretty faces in Google Classrooms, okay? And coming back to this worksheets which we are doing today. So we have worksheet 13 and 14. So in worksheet 13, we will be doing a pencil sketch of the tiger. Wow. Anyone likes tiger or anyone hates tiger because it's a carnivorous animal? No? Yes, good. So now talking about the tiger, it's our national animal. So talking about the worksheet 13 and 14. So in worksheet 13, we will be drawing, we will be using graphite pencils to create a pencil shading of a tiger. Of course, we all know that tiger is our national animal. Why is tiger a national animal? Why not lion? Because lion is the king of jungle, but why not lion? Is that an interesting question or is that a boring question? Though, if it is boring or interesting, but I want the answers, I'll be waiting for your answers. I want different kinds of answers. Let me see who will answer this properly. So in our next class, I'll be just asking you why is the tiger our national animal and why not lion? Okay, so please prepare for the answers, and now we will talk about the worksheets wherein we will be doing a pencil shading of the tiger, where you will be learning about the texture, the hair texture, wherein it comes in a gradient sheet from light to dark or dark to light, and you will be learning how to form the hair of the animal and the face anatomies, everything you will be knowing about in this worksheet. And going to worksheet 14, you will be drawing a dancing lady. So it's dancing lady means not any other dance, of course, it is our Indian dance, which is Bharatanatyam. So two Bharatanatyam girls, like it's like an abstract one, and you cannot see most of the details like the face or the jewels or the dress properly. So it will be an abstract art that's really beautiful. And so to create this two girls dancing, so we will be using our oil pastels, and we will be smudging it to create the smooth effect of the abstract. So basically we are doing an abstract in oil pastels. So kind of different. Yes, come, let's go start something new and something different.
Hello kids, so in this worksheet we're gonna need our ruler, pencil, eraser, and we need a sharpener to sharpen the pencils, and I'm using the Bristol Technical pen of 0.1 size, and also I'm using a Luxor Fine Writer which comes in various colors. I'm using black, brown and red, and then we are using the color pencils of red, brown and dark brown. So before we start with the worksheet, please remember to write your name and your teacher's name. So now let's begin with our worksheet by drawing a four-sided border. I'm drawing the four-sided border very close to that black line so that we get enough space to draw that, because as you can see in the reference image, there is a huge work which is done inside the elephant because there are lots of designs. So which painting is that? Yes, as we have discussed in our instructional video, so this is a Madhubani painting. So we have lots of designs which we have to make it, and I'm just making an outline of the elephant now. I'll be showing you, I'll be darkening it for you in some time. I'll show you from where you can start it. Okay, I have just made a pencil mark for my reference, and you all can start it from this cloth on the elephant because it will be easier for you to manage the face and the legs of the elephant. You will get an idea on where you have to do and how you have to do and how you can measure it. So first do the cloth, and then inside a cloth we have a very big circle with lots of designs. We will go for the detailings later, but first we will finish off the outline. and then right next to the cloth, very close attached to it, I have done the ear. And towards my right hand side for the border, I'm doing the back side of the elephant's leg. And now I'm doing the trunk of the elephant and the head. So we can see there is a design on top of the head, so I have made that as well. And now I am making the trunk of the elephant and tusk of the elephant. And now we can easily add other 3 legs of the elephant. I'm just making the fingers of the elephant, and now I'm outlining the eyes. And now we are done with our sketch. I'm erasing the pencil marks, which is not necessary. So I'm gonna do the complete detailing design with using my brown pen. But if you have any doubt, or if you are feeling that no, I'm scared, I don't want to do it on the pen, so of course you can start with your pencil. You can finish all the designs in your pencil and then you can outline it with your pen. So I've drawn a line, and then I'm doing the tiny details of the designs in the trunk. So now I'm making the same design for the whole trunk over here. I'm just drawing a line and then I'm applying the dot. I've done it for the whole trunk now. And now outside I'm doing a design of a triangle shape. And this triangle shape design, I'm taking it over the head of the elephant. And now I'm doing the designs. We're using the same pattern. I'm almost using the same patterns for each and every designs which I'm doing, so that it looks even and likely. Of course, you can use a different design if you feel that it is good. So be creative, create more patterns and more designs. There is nothing wrong in that. Now I'm doing the designs for near the ear. I'm drawing some circles. So now I'm just creating some line patterns for the ear, and then now I'm doing the design for the neck. So I'm just drawing a line, making a reverse U shape, and drawing a single line and making a dot. So I'm repeating the same patterns over and over, and almost our neck design is completed. So now let's move on to the design for the cloth. So I'm drawing 3 lines for the cloth over here. Exactly 3 lines between those 2 lines, which is like a border. So in these 2 lines which I'm drawing first, I'll be filling it with the brown color. I'll be completely filling it with the brown color. And then for the outer line which I'm doing right now, I'll be filling it with U shape. So now it has been done, and now I'm making some circles on the back of the elephant. I'm drawing some U shapes, reverse U shapes on top of the circle here, making it more detailing, and inside I'm keeping a small dot. And now inside the big circle I'm making some certain circles, and to create the same kind of patterns. So in the first circle I have created a line pattern, and I'm drawing another 2 circles. I'll be creating a U-shape pattern. As I told, I'm creating the U-shape pattern. Again, I'm drawing the circle, and I'll be repeating the same patterns again and again. And now I'm drawing the big circles. So as this is our final line inside the circle, so I'm drawing a bigger circle, and inside I'm drawing some small circles. And outside again I'm creating a U-shape pattern. So now this design is completed, and I'm going for the corners of the cloth, and I'm creating the line pattern first, and again I'm creating the U-shape pattern. at the last. Again, I'm drawing 2 more lines, and then I'm using the stippling method and I'm creating some dots inside the cloth as a pattern. So now I have repeated the same designs for the backside and the leg of the elephant. It is just the 2 lines and a line pattern and 2 lines and a U-shape pattern. And now I'm just drawing the bunches over here, and I'm drawing a bell near the neck of the elephant. So now our designs are almost completed, so it is time for us to color it. So the medium which we are using is a color pencils. So we have all the color pencils here, and also we might need orange color for a lighter shade. Okay, so now let's start coloring as we have completed all the designs here. So first I am using the red color inside the circle and in the corners of the cloth, and then even on top of the head of the elephant. I'm done with red color now. Now I'm see how I'm holding the pencil, how I'm holding the red pencil. So I've holded it very slant and I'm giving a very lighter shade of red. So it is hardly visible that yes, I'm coloring red completely. So it is hardly visible. So you have to go over the elephant with red color in a very lighter shade. I have used my micron pen and I have created the eye for the elephant. I'm doing the same lighter shade all over the elephant now. And now I'm taking the lighter brown and I'm creating some shade near the tusk, and then I have taken my orange color pencil and I'm giving more lighter shade, and I'm mixing it with red so that we get a nice shade. Remember, it has to be light as possible. And now we are taking a dark brown and we are coloring it for the entire background. Make sure that you first fill the corners and then you will fill the inside part. And it has to be even and there should be no spaces left. Remember that. So when I'm going near the designs, I'm getting slower and I'm using only one direction to fill it up. Use the same technique to color, or else even you can use your watercolors to color the background. That is not an issue. Color it evenly, completely for the background in the same way I am coloring. And be careful with the edges, and we should have a very smooth edge. By using the same method, keep practicing. It's done now. I hope you have enjoyed the session, and remember, Arto Service, good start.